Cá phú là đây là cặp chặt cặp.
นี่อันนี้เนี่ยปีเคียดนะ ปีเคียดกระดาม
Nó thằng đạp đó tôi che cặp hả con này.
Making stir-fried crab with Kampot Pepper corn. So just add some oil, some garlic. So the garlic turn brown, you add your crab meat in. Sizzling hard. To let the crab cook a little. Green Kampot pepper corn. That. Then you cover it. Now that the crab is cooked, you add in this sauce, this special sauce. Stir fry that. That's the sauce. Here comes the sauce. She told me it's condensed milk, oyster sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, sugar. Oh yeah. Now you top it with green onions. Should be all set. Ready. Finished products. Looking so good. Kampot Pepper Crab, Dan Chan with green peppercorn.